Hi, I'm Scott Maskin, CEO of SUNation Solar Systems. During this crisis, SUNation's number one priority is the health and safety of your families and our employees. In order to give you the best possible care, we've adjusted our business practices to ensure our services are completed responsibly. Our professional consultants can work with you both virtually or in person. Please visit our website to schedule a time that's convenient for you. All employees are being held in strict compliance with CDC guidelines. Frequent hand washing, wearing of masks, and daily temperature monitoring and use of sanitizers are all required from our employees. All SUNation vehicles and tools are disinfected on a daily basis and equipped with hand sanitizing stations. While our crews are out working safely, our office staff is also practicing strict social distancing in the hallways, and our workstations have been moved 6 feet apart. SUNation has been serving Long Island families for over 17 years. We're open and we're working safely for you, our employees, and our communities.